The next level is super at method level. We have seen super at variable level, and we have seen a simple scenario as well. And let's see the super at method level. Okay. So, okay, let's discuss super at method level. Whenever we inherit the base class methods into the derived class, so there is a possibility that the base class methods are similar to the derived class. Okay, again, in order to differentiate between the base class data members and methods, we are using super at the method level as well. So we are differentiating the super with base class methods and data members. So before we have seen the super at variable level. So if you want to differentiate, if there is a similar methods at base class and the derived class as well. So in order to differentiate it, so again, so we have to write super at method level as well. Super dot base class method name. Method name. So that's it. So this is the syntax of this is syntax of using the super at a method level. Okay. This one. So let's take a real-time example. Let's imagine an order class that has a method called calculate order. Okay. So let's say an order class is having method called calculate order. Okay. And we have a special class which is which will be giving the discount for the order. So I'll say discount order. Okay. So this discount order is extending this order class, extends this order class, extends this order class, and overrides the calculate order. Sorry, not calculator order. We can take the calculator order total. It's fine. So calculator order total. So we will be overriding this calculator order total in our uh, class as well. We will be overriding this method. Okay. So why we are overriding is we need to apply discount. So as the class name itself saying that, so we need to apply discount on the order. We'll be applying discount on this order. Okay. But here, but here, if we need still, if we didn't know, if we need to, like, we are giving a chance that if we need to make a call to the order class calculate order total method. So how we do that actually? So we need to call with respect to the base class. No, we need to use the super keyword and make a call to this method. Okay. So this is a scenario actually. So we have a order class, and the order class is having the calculator order total, and we have a discount order class which will be calculating the discount by overriding the calculate order total method. And if we need to make a call in future, if we need to make a call to the calculator order method, we need to know how we need to call calculator order method, because so calculator order method is also available in our discount order class. So if we need to call only the base class order method, so at that time what we do? So let's see. Okay, let's see that. So let's open my IntelliJ. Let me write the question first actually. So if I write the scenario, it would be a fine actually. So let's go. So I'll write order discount order client app, discount order client app. First I'll create the client application. There I'll write the question actually. So the scenario is we have an order class that has a method. Let me write the question, and let me pause the video and write the question. Okay, so this is a question actually. We have an order class and we have a discount order class. So in order class, we have the calculator order method, and the discount order is extending this extending this order class, and we will be overriding the calculator order and we will be applying the discount. But we are still making a call to the calculator order method to find the total amount before applying the discount actually. Okay, after that, after finding the total amount, so we will be applying the discount on that order. So let's go quickly and create a class of order. Let's go here. Let's go to the to create an order. So an order would be having a, uh, let's say it will be having only the you know method calculate. What is the method? Calculate order I have taken, right? So discount order. So let me use the same method. The calculate order. Let me go to the close the left tabs. Okay. Here calculate order. The calculate order will be taking the two parameters that would be a price and the quantity you want to calculate. First, it would be the price. Okay, so price, and let's say, and we have a quantity as well. So I'll be taking the quantity as an integer. So I'll be using quantity, and this would return the total. This would return the total. So now what you'll do is you'll be multiplying the price into quantity. So you're multiplying the price with the quantity, and it will return the base total, right? This would return the base total. This would return the base total, and it is a public method actually. Okay, fine. So it is a public method. Okay. So now let's go to the discount order class. Okay, let's create a discount order class, and let's extend this order. Okay, so let's say discount order is there. Discount order, and this discount order is copying the features of order. So how we need to say that? We have to, if you want to copy the features from one class to other class, so we use extends keyword. So I'll say order. Okay. So here, what I'll do is I'll be overriding the calculate no order total method, and I'll be applying the discount on that actually. I'll be applying the discount on that. Okay. So let's come over here. Let's copy this calculate order total method, and let's copy this calculator total method, and let not return this one as of now. Okay. So what I'll do is yeah, and here I'll write, because I'm overriding it, I'll write overrides method actually. So now what I'll do is I'll call the, so I want to calculate the total order, right? So I'll call the base class calculate order total method. So how we need to call? So we used to say super dot calculate order total, and we'll be passing the uh, price and the quantity. So first it will be calculating the total price, then it will be applying the discount. So it would be uh, total order amount. I can say order amount is the variable I'm taking. Order amount is the, okay, order amount or order total would be fine, I think. Order total. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll be applying the discount on that this total order. Okay, so let's say I'll be giving the discount of, like, just 10% I'm discount I'm giving. So 10% in would be kind of 0.1% double. So sorry. So I'll say 10 by 100, in the sense it would be 0.1 itself. So I'll write discount equals to 0.1. So this is the discount I am giving. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll be calculating the amount after the discount. So double. I'll say double uh, amount after discount. After discount, I'll say order total into discount. So this would return the total amount after discount. Now what I'll do is I'll be uh, oh, no, no, no. This will return the discount. What would be the discount actually? So if the order is 500, if I'm applying discount, if I'm multiplying, so it will be returning some discount amount. So it is not kind of this one. So it is discount amount, discount amount. Now what I'll do is I'll take this discount amount and I'll subtract this from order amount. So I'll say now uh, order total minus. So I want to subtract the discount amount. I want to apply. So I'll say return. Okay, that's fine. So what I did is I have overridden this calculator order total method and I have like given the discount as 0.01, which is 10%. Okay, which is 10%. 10% discount I have given on the order total order. Okay. So I'm calculating, I'm calling the base class calculate order method, and it will be returning the total order to me. And what I'm doing is with that, so I'll be calculating the discount order total into discount. Okay. So it will be giving the discount amount. So what I'm doing is I am subtracting the, I'm like, doing the minus in the total amount. So discount amount is, let's say, for example, if the order total is 500, discount amount would be 50, something like that for 10%. Okay. So it will return 450, something like that. So let's just, that's an example. Okay. So let's go. This is done, right? So now let's go to our client app. Like we have already created the discount order client application. So now what object you will be going to create? You will be creating an object of discount order. Why? Because the discount order will be having the because discount order is the derived class. So we always create an object of, in inheritance we always create an object of derived class itself. So now I'll call the discount order dot calculator order method. So here I'll be passing the price, let's say for example 1000, and I'll be passing the quantity, let's say 2 is the quantity. Okay, let's run this one. Let's run this one. Run as Java application. So it will return the output. Okay, I haven't used any printout statement inside it. Let me go over here. Um, I'll just go here and I'll say inside the invoked uh, order class calculate order total method, calculate order total method. Okay. And yeah, we will be, instead of that, we will be copying this one into some variable, let's say uh, order amount, and we are returning this order amount, and return order amount. Okay, that's fine. So we are returning order amount. Now I'll use sysout and I'll display this order amount. After calculating, after calculating the amount for, the amount is plus order amount, I'll write. Okay, so fine. Okay, now next, what discount order? Let's go to the discount order. I'll write simple. I'll copy the sysout command from here. I'll do the changes to the sysout command. I'll say invoked discount order class, calling the calculate order method of calculating total order method of let me maximize this screen, method of um, order class. Okay. I'll take this out here and I'll say the order total is, I'll say order total order total. Now I'll write applying the discount on the order total, applying 10% discount on order total. Okay, so I'll be applying discount on the 10% discount on the order total. Okay, which is set discount, and after calculating the order, after calculating discount, discount, the order amount is discount amount. Okay, makes sense now. Now it's everything is crystal clear. So let's go and run our application. So let's run as Java application. So let's see. It is about. So it is like calling invoked discount order class, calculating invoked discount order class. So let's go here. First, it is invoke the discount order class, calculating the order total, calling the order total method for order class of order class. Okay, of order class. So he invoked the discount order class and calculate and it is calling the calculate order total method of order class. So now here it is making a call, right? So let's go here. So now invoked order class and invoked order class calculate order total method. So that's what it is printing over here as well. So then what we are doing, we are calculating the order amount. Then it is saying that after calculating the amount is, so what is the amount? It is 2000. Okay, so then it is written the order amount. Then again it came back over here. So again here we are displaying the order total is 2000 is the order total. Now what we are doing? We are applying 10% discount on the order total. So we are just displaying here applying 10% discount on order total. Okay, so now after that, what we are doing is we are calculating the discount amount. So after calculating the discount amount, we are displaying it. After calculating discount, the order total, sorry, here, this is discount amount actually. After calculating the discount amount is, the discount amount is, and it will be printing the 200 is the discount. And before this, if we want to write anything, so you can copy this into some variable. So I'll say this total amount. Okay, so I'll write a simple sysout over here. Total amount after discount, after discount plus I'll write TOT amount. So I can return, I'll return what? TOT amount, I'll be returning it. Okay. So now again, what it will display now? Total amount is 2000 minus discount amount. It would be 1800. Let me run it again. Run as Java application. So this will display 1800 after, yeah, total amount after discount is 1800. So got it right? Okay.